Are you in the short-term rental business? Whether you're a newbie or an experienced host, maintenance is something you'll always need to focus on. Hello, Prowess Partners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about maintenance and upkeep for your short-term rental properties. We'll explore how these tasks directly impact guest satisfaction and ultimately your rental income. Let's dive in. In the short-term rental business, keeping your property in top shape is essential. It's not just about fixing things when they break. It's about ensuring everything works smoothly to keep your guests happy and encourage them to return. A well-maintained property shows guests that you care about their comfort and safety, leading to positive reviews, more bookings, and a great reputation for your business. However, neglecting maintenance can result in unhappy guests, negative reviews, and a damaged reputation. So, taking care of your property benefits both you and your guests. Maintaining a short-term rental property involves a few key steps to keep it clean, functional, and attractive to guests. First, it's important to set up a regular cleaning schedule. This means thoroughly cleaning before and after each guest's stay, and scheduling deeper cleanings monthly or quarterly. Hiring professional cleaners can help maintain high standards and save you time. Also, make sure you always have enough cleaning supplies and create a restocking checklist so your property is always ready for guests. Second, it's important to conduct regular property inspections to find and fix maintenance issues quickly. Focus your inspections on areas like plumbing, electrical systems, and HVAC units. By identifying and prioritizing repairs early, you can prevent small problems from turning into bigger, more expensive ones. Regular property inspections are a key part of maintaining a short-term rental. Scheduling inspections regularly, whether monthly, quarterly, or seasonally, allows property owners to spot and fix maintenance issues before they become big problems. During these inspections, focus on key areas like plumbing, electrical systems, and HVAC units. For plumbing, check for leaks, water pressure issues, and proper drainage. For electrical systems, make sure outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures work correctly and safely. For HVAC units, ensure there is proper airflow, the thermostat is working, and look for any signs of wear or damage. By conducting these inspections regularly, you can catch common issues like leaks, appliance problems, or HVAC issues early. Addressing these problems promptly and prioritizing repairs helps prevent them from becoming bigger, more expensive problems. This ensures smooth guest stays and keeps your property's reputation strong. Seasonal maintenance is another important part of keeping a short-term rental property in good shape. Preparing for different seasons helps keep the property comfortable and functional all year round. In winter, you might need to insulate pipes to prevent freezing and check that the heating systems are working properly. For summer, it's a good idea to service the air conditioning system and handle outdoor maintenance tasks. Taking care of the landscape and outdoor spaces is also important for the property's overall appeal. This includes regular lawn care, gardening, and maintaining outdoor amenities like pools or barbecue areas. By planning for seasonal changes and addressing maintenance needs as they arise, property owners can improve the guest experience and avoid issues caused by weather changes. Ensuring the safety and security of guests should be a top priority for short-term rental property owners. Install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors on every floor and provide fire extinguishers and first aid kits to protect guests from potential hazards. Enhancing property security also gives peace of mind to both guests and owners. This can be done by installing security systems like cameras and smart locks, which deter intruders and provide surveillance. It's also crucial to have clear guidelines for guest access and key management. This could involve using keyless entry systems, providing lockboxes with unique access codes for each guest, or having strict protocols for key exchanges. By prioritizing safety and security measures, property owners can create a secure and welcoming environment for their guests. Taking care of repairs and keeping your property up to date is a key part of managing a short-term rental. Things will inevitably break or wear out, so having a reliable network of contractors for different repair needs is essential. When hiring a contractor, clear communication about the work and expected timelines is vital to avoid misunderstandings and ensure timely completion. Budgeting for maintenance and upgrades is also important. Setting aside funds for routine repairs helps prevent unexpected expenses. Additionally, planning for future renovations and improvements allows you to strategically enhance your property's appeal and functionality, attracting more guests and potentially increasing your rental income. By proactively managing repairs and renovations, you can keep your property in top condition and provide a comfortable and enjoyable experience for your guests. Keeping open communication with guests is crucial for effective property maintenance in the short-term rental business. Encouraging guest feedback is important for identifying maintenance needs and ensuring a positive guest experience. Make it easy for guests to report any issues or concerns by providing dedicated phone numbers, email addresses, or online forms for maintenance requests. Actively seeking and using guest feedback helps property owners stay informed about any problems, allowing for quick resolution. responding promptly to maintenance requests is just as important. Use a system like a ticketing service or a dedicated communication channel to handle requests efficiently, ensuring issues are addressed in a timely manner. Communicating with guests throughout the repair process, including updates and estimated timelines, helps manage expectations and shows a commitment to guest satisfaction. By fostering open communication and promptly addressing maintenance requests, property owners can build trust with their guests and enhance the overall quality of their rental experience. In the world of short-term rentals, using technology for maintenance management can greatly simplify operations and improve the guest experience. Property management software provides a comprehensive solution for tracking maintenance tasks and schedules, ensuring routine inspections, cleaning, and repairs are done efficiently. These platforms also offer tools for monitoring property performance metrics, like occupancy rates, revenue, and maintenance expenses. This data-driven approach helps property owners identify trends, optimize maintenance strategies, and make informed decisions to boost profitability. Integrating smart home devices can automate maintenance tasks and simplify property management even more. For example, smart thermostats can automatically adjust temperature settings based on occupancy or time of day, reducing energy use and utility costs. Smart lighting systems can be controlled remotely, allowing property owners to set lighting schedules or adjust brightness levels even when they're not on site. By embracing technology, short-term rental property owners can streamline maintenance processes and enhance the guest experience with convenient and personalized features. Maintaining your short-term rental property is more than just a routine task. It's essential for your business success. It directly affects guest satisfaction, booking rates, and your overall reputation. By consistently providing a clean, safe, and well-functioning property, you create a positive and memorable experience for your guests, encouraging them to return and recommend your property to others. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. If you need professional co-hosting services to manage your short-term rental, Prowess Property is here to help. Check the link in the description to learn more.